Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify investment risks with Motley Fool, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a free account on the Motley Fool website. Visit the official Motley Fool homepage. Click on the Join Now or Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Confirm your email address through the verification email sent by Motley Fool. Once logged in, explore the homepage to familiarize yourself with available resources. Navigate to the Investment Advice section. Look for articles and news updates related to investment risks. Utilize the search bar to find specific investment topics. Read expert analysis provided by Motley Fool experts. Look for their stock recommendations and associated risk levels. Pay attention to the risk rating provided with each recommendation. Analyze the financial health of companies through Motley Fool's in-depth reviews. Check the sector performance and market trends for better context. Consider joining a premium service for in-depth research if desired. Review the community forums for discussions on investment risks and insights. Engage with other investors for different viewpoints. Compile your findings to assess the overall investment risk. Create a personal risk assessment based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Keep track of any updates or changes in recommendations regularly. Stay informed about market news that may affect your investments. Make informed decisions based on your research and analysis. Maintain a balanced portfolio, adjusting as needed based on risk assessments. Continue learning about investment risks through available resources on the Motley Fool site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.